Confused about where to invest your money? With so many options, stocks, bonds, ETFs, crypto, and more, it's easy to feel lost. But what if I told you that by 2025, you could confidently navigate the investing world and set yourself up for financial success? In this video, I'll break down every investment option in the simplest way possible, so you can start building your wealth with clarity and confidence. Whether you're a beginner or just looking to refine your strategy, this guide is for you. Let's get started. Stocks. The foundation of investing stocks represent ownership in a company. When you buy a stock, you're essentially buying a small piece of that business. If the company grows, so does the value of your stock. For 2025, focus on industries like technology, renewable energy, and healthcare, as they're expected to see significant growth. Bonds. Stability in your portfolio. Bonds are like loans you give to governments or corporations. In return, they pay you interest over time. They're generally safer than stocks but offer lower returns. For 2025, consider adding bonds to your portfolio to balance out riskier investments. ETFs, exchange-traded funds. Diversification made. Easy ETFs are a collection of stocks or bonds bundled into one investment. They're perfect for beginners because they offer instant diversification. For 2025, consider ETFs focused on emerging markets, green energy, or AI technology. Real estate. Tangible wealth building. Real estate isn't just about buying property anymore. You can invest in REITs, real estate investment trusts, which allow you to own a share of real estate portfolios without the hassle of managing properties. With urbanization trends and housing demands rising, real estate remains a solid choice. For 2025, cryptocurrency. High risk, high reward. Cryptocurrency is digital money built on blockchain technology. While it's highly volatile, it has the potential for massive returns. For 2025, keep an eye on Bitcoin, Ethereum, and newer altcoins with strong use cases. Alternative investments. Think outside the box. These include commodities like gold and silver, collectibles, or even peer-to-peer lending. They can act as a hedge against inflation and add diversity to your portfolio. For 2025, consider allocating a small portion of your portfolio to these options. Mutual funds, professionally managed portfolios. Mutual funds pool money from multiple investors to buy a diversified portfolio of stocks, bonds, or other assets. They're managed by professionals, making them a hands-off option for beginners. Index funds. Passive investing at its best. Index funds track a specific market index, like the S&P 500. They're low cost and require minimal effort, making them ideal for long-term investors. For 2025, index funds are a reliable way to grow your wealth steadily. Dividend stocks. Earn while you hold. Dividend stocks pay you a portion of the company's profits regularly. They're great for generating passive income. For 2025, look for companies with a strong history of paying dividends. Robo-advisors. Automated investing. Robo-advisors use algorithms to manage your investments based on your goals and risk tolerance. They're affordable and perfect for beginners. For 2025, consider using a robo-advisor to simplify your investment strategy. By 2025, the right mix of these investment options can set you up for long-term financial success. Start small, stay consistent, and watch your wealth grow. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more simple, actionable investing tips. Let's make 2025 your most successful year yet.